Welcome back to our live. Official score 37 all. Yan bro. Okay, time out. Official score is 41-37. Time remaining 9 minutes and 11 seconds. Back to the ball game. Bola rito ng San Beda.
South kita paras. South. Sige.
Okay, sa corner, jump shot, no good. Rebound by Simple. Pass to Salazar. Salazar, no good. Rebound ng San Beda. What extra pass? Oy! Good travel. That's a traveling violation for San Beda.
Execute!
Salazar with a layup, no good. Rebound, Salazar, binali sa ere, and what? Walang tawag ang ating referee. 43-37, let's go. Uy. Naka-recover. Uy. Number 34, 4-3, no good. Rebound. Steal by Paras, outlet pass. Salazar all the way. Basket is good. Sumabay ka pa. 45-37. Another steal for Salazar. Salazar. Basket is good. Back-to-back basket for Salazar. 47-50, 37. 10-point lead. Another steal by Sam. Dylan. Oh, too strong. Rebound ng San Beda. Number 34. Ayan na, pull up. No good. Rebound. Number 26 using the board and score. 39-47. Salazar to Esomchi. Esomchi. Back to Paras. Paras. Pull up. Basket is good. 49-39. Balik sa 10 ang ating kalamangan. Ayan na ang San Beda. Binigay. Number 4, 4-3. In and out. Rebound again by San Beda. To number 3. Number 3. Kick out. Uy. Munti ka na maagawan. Ayan na ang San Beda. Number 3. Hesi. Binigay sa loob. Number 34. No good. Number 3. With a putback. Naihabol pa yon ng San Beda. Rizal. Salazar. Back to Paras. Esomchi, top of the key, 4-3, no good. Rebound by Guerzon. Pass to Simple with a spin and gets the putback. With a floater. Ayan na ang San Beda, number 7. Pull up J and score. At may sagot agad ang San Beda ron. Balik sa 8 ang kalamangan. Salazar. Cross-court pass to Esomchi. Esomchi kick out. Guerzon 4-3. No good. Rebound. Esomchi. And 1. Basket count plus a foul by Sam Esomchi. Time remaining 6 minutes and 7 seconds. 53-43. Bonus shot for a 3-point play by Sam Esomchi. Esomchi, basket is good. 54-43. Number 7. There's a foul. Time remaining 6 minutes and 1 seconds. Number 18 setting on the play. Pass to Salas. To number 11. To number 18. Cross-court pass to number 787. Dito kayo sa gitna. Nagagawan. And that's a jump ball. Bola rito ng San Beda. Red ba? Dito. Lasal na, di ba? Lasal na.
14 jump ball.
Thank you.
Time remaining 5 minutes and 49 seconds.
Coach, 16 seconds sa clock. Dadalay lang.
Wala. Another rebound for San Beda to reset. Number 18 for 3. No good. Rebound by Sam. Pass to Guerzon. Guerzon setting on the play. Back to Sam. Esomchi. Binigay. Guerzon binigay sa corner. Bote for 3. Yes, sir. For Bote. 57-43. Let's go. Number 27. Here comes a double team. Cross-court pass. Number 8. Number 18. Floater. Too strong. Rebound by Sam. Esomchi. Binababa rito ang bola. Esomchi. Guerzon. Binigay sa corner. 4-3. Yes. Para sa Tares. By Bote. 60-43. Ayan na. Lumalaki na po ang ating kalamangan. Let's go. Number 27. Pull up. Binigay sa loob. Block from behind. Good defense para sa Lasal. Peek out. Number 18. Stop and pop. Yes, sir. At may sagot ang San Beda ron. Baba sa 15 ang ating kalamangan. Somchi. Back to Bote. Bote with a layup. No good. Rebound ng San Beda. Ayan na si number 18. Hesitation. Step back to. No good. Rebound by Galanatan. Galanatan. Nagmamadali. Binigay kay Bote. Pass to Galanatan. Back to Bote. Binigay. Guerzon to Bote. Bote 4-3. Short. Rebound. Guerzon, too strong. Rebound by number 6. Ayan na ang San Beda. Bounce pass to number 27. To number 18. Cross court pass. Steal by Bote. Pass to Somchi. Somchi. Pass to Galanatan. Pass to Guerzon. Somchi. Libre sa 3. No good. Hindi ko makita mga idol. Sisla po. Rebound ng San Beda, number 18. Umatake and gets the foul. And that's a blocking foul for Lazal. 2 shots para sa San Beda.
Push one.
First shot missed.
Push one. Early drop. Early drop tayo. Early drop.
Second shot. No good. Rebound by Paras. Ayan na. Spin move. Salazar. Pull up. No good. Rebound. Gets a foul.
Solo line.
Last 3 minutes po tayo. Tagle 4-2. No good. Offensive rebound ng San Beda. Oh, steal by Tagle. Tagle. Guerzon, pass to Paras. Nabitawan. Salazar will recover. Bigay kay Tagle. Salazar, wala ball movement. Oy, wala. Oh, steal. Last touch. Green ball. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 25 seconds.
Hey.
Lasal Green Hills Basketball. Salazar. Pass to Galanatan. Salazar. Spin. Step back. Top of the key. No good. Rebound by Sam. Dylan. Fadeaway shot. Miss. Rebound. Cholo. And gets the foul. 2 shots for Cholo Evangelista. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 7 seconds.
Oh, special lang ha.
Cholo Evangelista gets that second basket. Ayan na, San Beda nagmamadali, tumira sa 3, too strong, rebound by Salazar. Maraming pong salamat sa Stars, Sir Agama. Whoa! It's a lifting violation for Lasal. 1 minute and 54 seconds. Number 21, blocked by Sam. Number 13 gets the putback with the lazy end. Substitution.
Tira lang ang tira, boy. Walang problema. Cacho, tira lang.
Cacho coming in for Tagle. Let's go, let's go. Cacho, spin, pass to Parras, using the board, and no good. Another rebound. Parras gets the basket. Pero using the glass and score. 63-47. Bigay sa corner. Sa loob, kick out, number 17. Bullet pass sa loob, using the glass at libre doon. For it easy to 49-63. Guerzon, kick out. Coronel, 4-3, no good. Rebound ng San Beda. Up and under, steal by Esomchi. Esomchi, crossover. Pinigay. Cacho, 4-3, short. Steal. Esomchi, no good. Rep. Esomchi all the way.
Ayaw niya ipito, coach eh. Coach, sinabihan namin papito na eh. Sinabihan namin. Ayaw. Papapapicture siya para yung pagod.
Alright, back to the ball game tayo. 65-49.
Tapos Sam, pagka nakatanggap dito sa San Paras, bola natin.
Let's go.
Olang.
Back to the ball game. Last 21 seconds. Last 21 seconds. Let's go. Defense.
Pablo. Eh, wala pa pa-screen. Pablo.
10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. For 3. Short. Good defense for Sam Esomchi. And that's the end of our third period. Official score 65-49. Favor of our LaSalle Green Hills. Ayan, maraming pong salamat kay Sir Rocky Agama sa 10 stars. Maraming pong salamat. Sa mga kakatunin lamang po, this is the battle for third.
Huwag ka na tumulong dyan. Huwag ito.
Paras basket.
Iyo! Iyo!
Oh, another steal.
Iyo! Iyo! Galano, gitna!
Too strong. Rebound by Sam. Out that pass to Guerzon. Guerzon low pick up and gets the foul. Two shot for Guerzon. Ay, dyan na pala. Dyan na.
Half na tayo, Sam! Half!
Bossing. Two shots for Guerzon. Miss. Second shot for Guerzon. It's no good. Oh! Pumasok isa. For three, you know good. Ayan na ang San Beda and one. Basket count and one.
Hawak!
68-51.
Asher! 30.
Number 21, 4-3, no good. And one by jersey number 5. Tama. Kaya natin yan, ha? Let's go, Lasal! Somchi! There's a foul.
Kausapin mo sila. Tayo.
8 minutes and 23 seconds.
Nga, full court.
First shot, no good. Miss.
Ba! Sige, Sam! Akas!
8 seconds!
And an 8 seconds shot clock violation. 68-55. Guerzon, Salazar. Uy. Out of bound. Whoa. Time out. Time out, Lasal. Time remaining 7 minutes and 47 seconds. 57-68. Baba sa 11 ang ating kalamangan. Okay, back to the ball game.
Hey, press play.
Salazar. Pass to Paras. Spin move. Block from behind. Paras with recover. There's a foul. Esomchi, kick out, Kalanutan for 3, no good. Rebound ng San Beda. Number 77, up and under. 59-68. Base Esomchi. Esomchi umatake and one. Basket count, plus a foul by Sam Esomchi. 70-59. Oh, good.
Penalty na tayo, ha?
Isa na lang, penalty na po. Maseba, number 24. Pull out. Blocked by Esomchi. Oh, steal. Salazar. Hesi. Salazar. Kick out to Esomchi. Bigay sa corner. Guerzon gets a travel.
Get the ball! Get the ball!
Steal by Sam. Paras. Esomchi umatake and gets the basket. $72-59. Gets the foul. Penalty. Both teams under penalty situation.
Yo!
72-59. First shot is good. Second shot, basket. 72-61.
Wala no, gitna. Wala no, gitna.
Esomchi.
Wala no,
Oy.
gitna.
Out of bounds. Out of bounds.
Gitna, gitna.
Paras. Tugalanatan. Guerzon 4-3. Short. Rebound ng San Beda. Pass number 77. Umatake. Too strong. Rebound by Galanatan. Galanatan nagmamadali. Binigay. What an extra pass. Uy! That's a foul. Two shots for Guerzon. Time remaining 5 minutes and 41 seconds. First shot para kay Guerzon. Basket, second shot, miss. Rebound by Esomchi. Esomchi, no good. Another rebound. Wala pa rin. Rebound ng San Beda. Ayan na. Number 77, up and under block from behind. Salazar spin. Paso Esomchi. Esomchi and one. Basket count plus a foul for Sam Esomchi.
Eight! Eight, full, eight!
Bonus shot for a 3-point play for Samuel or Sam Esomchi.
Come on!
Ayan na ang San Beda. Number 21. Up and under. Gets the foul. Substitution. Coronel coming in.
Galano, galano!
Go, 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 go.
Kaya mo, Sam?
Coronel, sub 2. Galanatan. Wala. Second shot. Basket. 62-76. Baba sa 14 ang ating kalamangan. Paras. Out of bound. Cross-court pass. Bounce pa sa loob. To number 37. Pull up. Wala. Rebound by Salazar. Bote with the Hesi. Spin. Drive. Pass to Paras. Walang ball movement. Salazar from the corner. Yes! Para sa Tares. For Salazar. 79-62. Oy! Sayang. Munti ka na. Good defense for Salazar. Time remaining 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Bola ng San Beda. Out of bound. Paras, umatake. No good. Rebound, outlet pass to number 21. Pull up. Wala. Rebound by Paras to Salazar. Salazar, drop pass. Coronel with a double. Whoa. Oh, steal! Pass to Somchi all the way. Akin na to. 81-62. With the time remaining 3 minutes and 36 seconds. Number 77 to number 37. Step back 3, short. Another rebound for Lasal. Somchi 2 against 2. Somchi no good. Carbound. Time remaining 3 minutes and 17 seconds. Oh, gets the 3-point for our Lasal. Ay na ang San Beda. Gustong bumawi. Number 37. Kick out. Bounce pass. Sa loob. Block by Simple. Another block by Somchi. Nagagawan. Makakuha na Somchi. 2 against 1. Somchi. Pass to Salazar. Boy. Simple miss. Rebound ng San Beda. Outlet pass number 37 all the way. 84-64 ang ating talan. 20-point lead to our Lasal Green Hills. Bote for 3. Yes sir. For Bote. 87-64. Number 37. Sidestep. Wala. And gets the foul. Apat lang. 29. Basket. Official score 65-87. Substitution. Cacho coming in for Coronel. Last 2 minutes. Salazar. Simple pull up, no good. Rebound ng San Beda. Number 77. Stop and pop, no good. Rebound. Simple, pass to Bote. Pass to Salazar. To Paras. Top of the key for 3. No good. Rebound. Ayun na. Bounce pass. 10 seconds. San Beda basketball. Last 1 minute. Okay, sa corner, number 17. Sidestep, block by Simple. Number 77 will recover. Rebound by Simple. Last 52 seconds. Salazar. Cross-court pass. Inuubos na lamang po ang oras. Last 32, 4-3, no good. Rebound ng San Beda. At dito na po, inuubos ang oras. What a nice game from both team. At panalo po tayo. Alright. congratulations and nice game para sa ating team Lasal Green Hills and nice game for San Beda Rizal. Ay. Alright, and that's the wrap. Magkita-kita po tayo for our next live. Hanggang sa muli, congratulations Lasal Green Hills. Our final score is 65, 87. Panalo po ang ating team Lasal. Congrats! Nice game, nice game. Congrats, congrats.